Hello guys, in this tutorial we will finish the to-do tutorial, so let's get to it. We have a component here with to-dos, and we have a list group and list group item that lists the to-dos, and let's just visit it. That's how it looks like. One second. Okay, sorry. So basically now what we will do is we will make them either completed or not completed. To do that we need to kind of have an object here. With to do, we'll have a to do title. I need to get groceries, and completed false. I add another to do title. I need to get flowers for my girlfriend. Completed false. So basically that's how it's going to look like. And in the to-dos we need to adjust it so that it will display to do that title. Let's take a look. So it still works. However, when we click on it, let's put another class for it. List group item action. Now it looks like this. And now we'll have a style cursor pointer. Now it looks like this. So basically when we click on it, it will be disabled. So to do that, all we need is a few methods. Mark as complete, to do that completed true. Actually we will say toggle mark as completed, and it will be to do completed, like so. So basically here we need to say click mark as toggle mark as complete and pass that to do. Right now it's not going to do anything, but to make it work we need to say here vbind class, like so, and say disabled. It's from Bootstrap, and say to do that completed. So now you say that it's disabled, but you're not able to click on it or anything. So this is a bad way of doing this. So I'm going to delete it, and this one too. And here we will just have a deflex, and here justify content between. So basically here we will have a span. No, we will have a checkbox. Input type checkbox. Let's see how it looks like. It looks like this. So it's going to be like this. We don't need a cursor pointer anymore. So it's going to look like this. And we want to make it kind of strike through. So let me just figure out how to do this. Okay, so basically what we need to do is we need to, in the checkbox, we need to say vmodel and say to do that completed. So it's going to bind the to do to the completed value. And if we go to our app and mark this one as true, this is going to be true. So basically just say false again, like so. And here we need to wrap it in a span. And say class text under uppercase justify text strike through. Can you do that with Bootstrap? Bootstrap text strike through. Let's take a look. Basically, we need to say CSS strike through. Alright. So basically, we need to say vbind class vbind style, and here we will say text decoration, and here to do that completed. If it's completed, then it's going to be line through, otherwise it's going to be none. So basically that's going to how it's going to work. Now let's try. Now it's strike through like you see. Okay guys, now we need to add to-dos. So basically in the to-dos here we have a div class form group label add to do. Here we'll have input type text vmodel to do title, and here we will need to do title. So data to do title is going to be empty by default. Let's take a look how it looks like so. However, we want it to be a class of form control. So basically it's going to look like this, and we want a placeholder by saying to do title. So it looks like this, and we need a button as well. No, we don't need a button. Oh yeah, actually let's have a button. Class of btn success, and just say add to do. So it's going to look like this, and this is going to have a class of empty2 margin tab 2. So basically it looks like this. And here we want some style as well. Style margin left 10 pixels. So basically looks like this. So now when we type a to do, we need to add to the to dos over there. So we on button click, we will say this, and we will need to add our app here. So app this, pass this object, and here we will need to have app like so, and this will say app dot to dos dot push, and we will have a const to do an object title this dot to do title, and completed will be false. So and then push to do. So basically here we'll say click on button click. Now let's take a look. Add to do. Now we have a to do here. Now we want to reset this upon a click. So basically what we need to do is say this, that to do title is nothing. So if we add a to do, then that's how it works, guys. Now we can go like this, and it works. So that's it, guys. That's how it works. If you want any more tutorials on Vue, just write in the comments and say, and I will make it. Thank you, guys.